Tuesday, March 12th. The people that are awakened are putting the pieces together on the solar eclipse front, information that's being poured out, revealed, and also where I assist with the comet. It all converges together. All these signs are working in tandem by God together. Videos are getting difficult because the more I delve into this, the angel's protection, I will complete. I will do what I am meant to do, my calling. In my last video, I talked about the spiral, and Spaceweather today has more information about this spiral here. Closer look. This is what it looks like. And also too, this is just my opinion only. I'll say it. Others won't say it, but I'll say it. I'm seeing things. It might be fragmentation. It might be pieces breaking off. It might be ice chunks. But in this spiral right here, you got one. Start from the beginning. Got 1, 2, 3. 3 spirals. Then you got all these right there, right there, right there, right there. So many from not only this image. This image is provided by this person right here, also from Norway, on March 9th. And another look at it, the special filter. Think of it as like an X-ray machine. Clean up the noise, and let's take an X-ray how it looks behind the color. See it clearly here. Perfect, beautiful spiral. Got the white. He has like a pinkish color. You got the black, and you got jets. And I'll say it. I think this thing, I'm almost certain this thing has a magnetic field. But since we don't have no information from our space agency, apparently they all went offline to the public, we'll never know, right? And besides, you trust them? I don't. I used to, not no more. I mean, because you have this, how in the hell this is not being covered? I mean, this thing is already, in my opinion, the #1 most observed comet in history, in recorded history. And yet we don't have no Webb telescope images after they promised they were going to provide images. So we're getting spirals images, and more images are coming in, flooding in. It's by right near Andromeda galaxy in the constellation Andromeda. That's the one that I made a video of, where it is getting closer to our 2 galaxies. The Milky Way galaxy and this galaxy are basically racing towards each other. Now this comes from Dan, and you can see here on it. This is the Andromeda galaxy. That's, I think the video was red alert. I'll give you an idea what I was talking about. In this image here, you can see the tail all the way here. You can see the distortion, like the debris field is leaving behind. In my opinion, this is definitely 10 degrees plus in this image. If you take into account all the way off the frame, gas, the debris, elements, distortion that's leaving behind. The closest it gets to Earth is June 2nd. I know it's going to be by the constellation Aries on April 8th. And there's a lot more on Aries that I'm working on right now. And also too, the spiral is resembling this artwork from the Taino Indians that were in the Caribbean. Looks similar to this. And if you read this, put it on pause, it'll give you an idea on the meanings of it. Like, unfortunately, disease, war, starvation left the Taino destroyed. If they leaving behind only their symbol. Best estimate, it were created sometime 5000 BC to 1700 AD. Symbols may not have been created by the Tainos after all, but a predecessor society that lived there before the Tainos arrived. So we're possibly talking, could be, remember the Atlantis civilization, Mu civilization, prior to the great catastrophe that happened in over 12,000 years ago. Been passed down to them, and they kept the tradition as a warning. Okay, until next time.